Now in this video, we will try to understand how to insert a vertex or a data item at a particular index of the doubly linked list. So let us try to do it with an example. Let us say I want to insert 90 at an index 4. That means, so you always have to start calculation from 0 in the calculation of the index from 0. So I want to insert 90 in here. So 0, then it is 1, then it is 2, then 3, and it is 4. So I want to insert 90 in between this index 3 and index 4, so that 90 becomes the new element at index 4. So between 2 and 18, I want to insert 90. So how can we do that? Let us try to understand that using the animation. So let me start the animation here. So here I am clicking on insert and then going to the last option where I can specify both, like the index should be 4 and the value that I want to insert is 90. So I am clicking on go to start the animation and here it started. So first what we need to do, I have to start from the head node and I have to employ a loop like this, which will take me to the actual index after which I want to insert the new node. So let's start looping. Utilizing this next link, you can do the looping and you can move the program control to to the nodes ahead. So just by doing this for loop and utilizing the help of this next link, you can move from 40 to 60, then 60 to 51, then 51 to 2. So all these nodes you can implement, just to move forward. And after that, you took a help of a pointer called, let's say, pre, to identify the node after which you want to insert the new node, that is 2 here. So and point the next node with after or AFT over here to denote it as the node after the new vertex that you will insert. So now your responsibility is to insert the new node with value 90 in between this pre and this AFT. So how can you do that? In order to do that, again, you have to take care of both previous and next link. You have to adjust both of these. So let's see what are the sequences. First of all, before doing anything, let us create a new vertex with a value 90 in here. Next, what you have to do, the next link of the vertex should point to the after. So just like this. And after that, what will happen? The previous link of the node AFT, that is 18, should start pointing VTX, that is the new node, instead of pointing to this pre, that is 2. So you have to change this previous link of 18. Instead of 2, it should now point to 90. So it should, that is this line. So what will happen now is, so 18 should start point to 90 instead of 2. So just check this previous is gone and it started pointing in this direction. Well, so that part is done. Next, what you have to do is you have to do pre.next equals VTX. So the pre node, that is 2, should start point to VTX now, because you are going to insert it in between. So let's do that. So here you have done that. That is, pre is pointing to the VTX. Now the last part, which is the previous link of the new vertex VTX, should start pointing to this pre, that is 2. That is, 90 should point to 2 through its previous link. So let's do that, and it started pointing in here. So all the links, all the previous links and the next links are all set now. So we are basically done, and 90 is now part of the doubly linked list. So this is how you can insert a new vertex or new data item at a particular index of doubly linked list.